quickly recap this ReplicaSet deployment and DaemonSet. So ReplicaSet ensures that a desired number of pods are always up and running, and a deployment, it will make sure if you want to do any rolling updates and rollbacks, and if you are trying to create the multiple changes to your environment, that you can do is a deployment. DaemonSet, it ensures that is like a ReplicaSet. It helps you to deploy multiple instances of a pod. That means if we have multiple containers in a pod, right, it will helps you to deploy multiple instances of pod, but it runs one copy of each pod on each node in your cluster. That is the main use case of this. So we can go through this quickly. So this is the application which my pod have. Okay, that is a single pod, single instance. Okay, so except for API version and kind, complete from metadata to image, it will move to the template section of ReplicaSet. If you observe clearly, so this is the template section. So the same data which are available in the pod, so it moves to the ReplicaSet. That means only the except API version kind, it will remaining portion will come to the, this way it will be identified with the help of match label. So that it means type. So this means in the match label type, and here the metadata type is both are same, then only it will be identified this is the pod which is requested for the replicas. Okay, and a number of replicas we are specifying here. Based on that, it will create the 2 replicas along with the replica set. Okay, so the deployment what we discussed here is it will be rolling updates, and there are multiple strategies as well. I have given you the videos for that as well. You can go through that. Now you can see this application. So except for kind, remaining portion and all same, only the difference is deployment, that we can change it. So next is DaemonSet. DaemonSet is it helps you to deploy multiple instances of pod, right? So here we can say ReplicaSet, and only for the it is like a ReplicaSet, only difference is DaemonSet. We need to specify the DaemonSet. So remaining portion and all it is same. So don't confuse with ReplicaSet deployment and DaemonSet. There are their own use cases here for ReplicaSet and deployment and DaemonSet. In practical scenario, we can see that in how it will be executed. Now it in short mode, right? It is a quick short. So I'm giving you this complete details, in-depth understanding. So you can go through this, and you can make a note if you have. I have given you the complete details of the pod, ReplicaSet, and deployment. You can try to execute on your local machine with the help of in a Kubernetes cluster. That's all for now. Thank you. If you need any clarity, and you can comment it, that I will clarify. Please subscribe.